Post-construction termite treatment using insecticidal dusts for inaccessible voids can deliver long-lasting control where liquids cannot reach. Apply dusts like Deltamethrin formulations or silica-based products directly into wall cavities, attic voids, and known galleries using a hand duster or power duster that produces a fine, dry cloud. Work from accessible inspection points and drill where necessary at stud bays or behind baseboards to create a pathway for the dust without over-drilling structural members. For active galleries, consider baited dusting where a small attractant or cellulose carrier is lightly coated with dust and placed into the gallery so termites pick up and transfer lethal particles to nestmates. Use conservative application rates specified on the label, targeting the void perimeter and any visible frass or mud tubes rather than filling the cavity, because excess packing reduces airborne transfer and can fall away. Always wear an N120 respirator, eye protection and gloves, and ensure nearby occupants and pets are removed during application and for the re-entry interval on the product label. Combine dust application with moisture reduction strategies like fixing leaks, improving ventilation, and grading to lower humidity that favors termite activity. Common problems are missing active galleries because termites shift feeding sites, so revisit and reinspect treated areas after 7 to 10 days and treat newly active spots observed, using baited dusting if necessary. Another frequent issue is poor dust transfer when particles are clumped or applied too thickly, which reduces pickup, so maintain a fine, powdery dispersion and use light, targeted dusting rather than packing the void. A third concern is not documenting treated locations, which complicates monitoring, so record treated voids, access points, and product used with dates and photographs when possible, so follow-up treatments are targeted and liability is minimized. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors who can perform insecticidal dusting and other termite services, and we also help contractors find work by listing their services and availability. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, questions, and practical tips about post-construction termite control and other home projects.